is this breakfast skillet. So this is everything you are going to need, but you can also throw in any other leftover veggies. So I'm heating a pan with some avocado oil and adding in some sweet potato, as well as some Himalayan salt and some pepper. I love sweet potato because it's a complex carb, it's loaded with fiber, and it has so much beta carotene, which makes it orange, that makes it better than your regular potato. Adding in some red onion, but you could also do any kind of white onion. It just caramelizes and really tastes good in this skillet. And then I'm going to be adding in some kale. Kale is super great for you. It's got, again, fiber, vitamin C, calcium. And then I'm gonna add an egg on top, which is full of amino acids. It's got choline for your brain, protein, and healthy fats. And once that's all stirred up, you will have this wonderful, delicious breakfast skillet. Next, we're making grain-free crepes. And guys, I am obsessed with this recipe. Plus, the filling possibilities are virtually endless. So to make the batter, I'm using 1 egg, but you can also use a flax egg if you want. Some almond milk, but again, any kind of nut or seed milk will work, and whisk that together. A little bit of vanilla for some flavor. And then I'm adding in some cassava flour, which is loaded with fiber and is great for your digestive system. A pinch of Himalayan salt, and you whisk that together. So this is a very simple, easy batter that you can whip up in minutes. Heat a pan on medium heat, spray it with a little coconut oil or avocado oil, and I'm just using a 1/4 cup measure to spoon it out, and then kind of tilt your pan until you get like a nice thin layer. You'll know when it's ready because it's going to be set on the top, and then you flip it over and cook it for about another 30 seconds. And these also keep great in the fridge or the freezer. So I'm filling mine with strawberries, which are a delicious low sugar fruit that are loaded with vitamin C, great for your immune system, great for your adrenals. You fold that over and you've got a crepe, but like I said, you can really feel it with any kind of berries, blueberries, raspberries. I'm also going to be drizzling it with a little bit of almond butter, but you can do any kind of nut or seed butter. So if you are nut free, the batter itself is nut free, you could just do a drizzle of coconut butter, or you could do a drizzle of sunflower seed butter, something like that. But I really like the combo of like the berries and the nut butter. Kind of feels like, you know, almond butter and jam, but with the berries and the crepe. Like I said, the possibilities are endless in terms of the fillings. You could even do a savory one with like eggs and kale or something like that. And then we're making a savory yogurt bowl. So this is everything that you are going to need. I'm starting off with some coconut yogurt, which is a great dairy-free alternative. Coconut is also really great for gut health and digestion, which I'm super passionate about. I'm adding in some healthy fats like avocado, which tastes delicious and creamy in this bowl. And then I'm adding in some pumpkin seeds, but you can also do nuts. Pumpkin seeds are great because they're loaded with zinc and magnesium, which are both essential minerals for you. A little bit of lemon zest for flavor, and lemon zest is actually really good for you. I feel like it's really underrated compared to like the juice of a lemon, but lemon zest actually helps to eradicate toxins from your body. I'm doing a little bit of the everything bagel seasoning, but you could just do sea salt here. You can even add an egg, your favorite kind of nuts, but basically anything savory, but it makes it creamy and delicious with the yogurt. Don't forget to check out my healthy breakfast playlist for lots more ideas, as well as my latest uploads to see more healthy, delicious recipes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.